Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video I'm going to teach you multiple if statements in Python. So from the last video we have been learning conditional statement and if else conditions in Python. So today we're going to learn multiple if else statements in Python. So basically what we're going to do in this video, we're going to create a simple program which is going to ask the NIC card, the identity card number of a person, and it is going to return the name. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to create a simple variable and I'm going to put input and say enter your NIC card number. So this is going to ask the NIC card number. When the NIC card number is written, it is going to stored in this variable. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type if condition here, if NIC card number is equal to 1 2 3. So I'm not going to use the real format, the correct format of the NIC card number. I'm just going to use some random numbers like this. So if the NIC card number is 1 2 3, it has to tell this NIC card belongs to GL, okay, and like that. So this is one of the if conditions. What if we happen if we have multiple persons such as GL, David and John and so on and so forth? We need to add another if condition like this. So if you want to check multiple if condition, we can use Elif call. I will explain in a second, wait for a moment, okay. NIC is equal to 456. It is going to say this NIC card is this NIC card belongs to, okay, not is, belongs to David, okay, David. And basically the Elif statement is, so I'm going to add another one. So NIC is equal to 789. So 9. I'm gonna say this NIC card number is card belongs to John, okay, John or something like that. So else I'm going to say your identity card number does not exceed, okay. It is going to say, basically the basic idea of this program is whenever the user is going to enter his identity card number, it is going to return his name, okay. It is going to say this in NIC card numbers like that. So I'm going to run this program. So 1 2 3, this identity card belongs to GL. 456 belongs to David, and 789, this identity card belongs to John, okay. And the another important things we have to focus on here, the Elif statement is to check multiple condition. If it's not, for example, NIC is equal to 1 2 3, do this, otherwise it is nothing but it is otherwise exception. So otherwise, if the NIC is equal to 456, do this, otherwise if the NIC is 789, do this, else it's nothing matched, nothing found, you have to say this. So this is the basic idea of multiple if else statement. So this is used for many purposes. Like for example, in the next video I'm going to teach you how to write a simple program to automatically produce the grade of all marks. For example, when you enter your marks, it will grade you such as A or C or depending on your grade. So like that, you can create many programs by using this simple concept in Python. So the basic idea of Elif statement is to check multiple conditions like this. For example, if you want, you can add many of them such as Elif and add another NIC card number and say like the different number, and you can say this is a different name, okay. Like that, you can add bunch of Elif statement. So the last else statement it's meant only one thing. If any of them match above, the else statement will run. So this is the basic idea of if statement in Python. And thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.